Hello, SharePoint Fest DC. I'm Liz Sundet, and I'm happy to be returning to our nation's capital again this year. SharePoint Fest will be a full 5 days this year, and I'm looking forward to presenting 3 sessions and a workshop. The workshop I will be doing is geared towards the business analyst profession. This could be for anyone who is currently a SharePoint analyst, someone who maybe wants to become a SharePoint analyst, or maybe you've heard the term but didn't really know much about what it really means to be a SharePoint analyst, and you want to know more. We will start with some questions that have been long debated and talk about how it fits your work situation, along with the big question: can one person do both project management and business analysis on a project? Next, we will move on to some of the different techniques used by business analysts as a way to approach their work. There are many different techniques, so we won't cover all of them, but some of the favorites and how to use them. Finally, there are many soft skills that are needed when working on a team, and we will go over some of the skills that are needed when working as a business analyst, or maybe those skills to look for when hiring a business analyst in the future. I'm looking forward to seeing you there from March 26th through the 30th at the Walter E. Washington Convention Center. I'm not sure if the cherry blossoms will be blooming or not, since I usually miss them every year when I'm in DC, but I'm sure we'll have a great time anyway.